Good afternoon, friends. So in the previous sessions we have completed the design steps for Mealy FSM, the design step for the Murray FSM. Then in one lecture we have also seen few practice example to get into the more insight of how to draw a state diagram from the problem statement. Then after we have also discussed about the optimization, but that was the optimization of a combinational circuit part in the circuit, and that was basically a state assignment. Today we will see the another aspect of optimization, which is a state reduction, and this we will be talking about the optimization in terms of a flip-flop requirement, I mean to say the memory requirement. So to start with this lecture, we will see the theory of elimination of redundant state available in the state table. Then we will discuss about the theory of equivalent state by looking into the theory of state equivalence, which is also known as implied pair of the state. Then we will discuss how two different sequential circuit can be equivalent. Then we will see the algorithm which are used to reduce the number of state in the state table. First we will see the row matching method, and for that purpose, to get more clear idea, we will take one example and we apply the theory of row matching on that example to reduce the number of state. We continue the same example to reduce the state table further. We will discuss about the algorithm which is known as implication chart or table method, and we will try to see the optimization in the state table. And finally we understood the state equivalence by comparing the two different state table in terms of their functionality. Thank you very much.